Hello, teachers! Looking for a quick, low-stress way to build math fact fluency in your classroom? Prodigy Math Facts is here. This no-cost, game-based fact fluency program will help your students practice their math facts in a fun and stress-free way. Students can log in at facts.prodigygame.com or from their Clever or ClassLink dashboards. When students log into Prodigy, they will select Mathfax to begin their daily fact fluency practice. Students solve math facts to help their pet race faster, so every correct answer keeps them moving toward the finish line. They can use the keyboard, trackpad, or touchscreen to input their answers. Each correct answer helps their pet move faster, keeping students motivated as they race. When they answer incorrectly, the screen indicates that the answer was incorrect and their pet slows down. Notice there's no visible timer on screen? That's intentional. Mathfax is designed to feel fun and low pressure for students, while tracking speed and accuracy behind the scenes for teachers. Students will complete 3 laps to finish their daily Mathfax session. At the end of their session, students will see their results displayed on a matrix. They will also earn badges when they reach certain fluency milestones. Once students master an operation, they'll automatically move on to the next one. And when students finish their daily math fact fluency session, they can continue practicing standards-aligned skills on Prodigy World. Now let's take a look at math facts from the teacher's side. Teachers can log into Prodigy at prodigygame.com or from their Clever or ClassLink dashboards. If you're brand new to Prodigy, you'll enter your school's name and roster your students. If your school uses Clever or Google Classroom, you can import your students directly from those sources. If your school does not use these SSO platforms, you can create a class manually by naming your class and selecting your grade level. The last step is to add your students. If you did not roster them automatically with Google or Clever, you can type in students' first names and last initials, copy and paste a list that you already have, or upload a roster. You can check your roster under Students on the side menu. If you have students that already have Prodigy accounts, you can give them your class code to attach their existing account to your classroom. Once you're set up, click Mathfax on the side menu. At the top of the page, you'll see a classroom podium. If you wish to host a friendly competition in your class for Prodigy Math Facts, you can present this podium to your students. You can also filter it by score, accuracy, and most improved. Your class data will be displayed for the current week. Each student's data is color-coded for quick review: green for 90% or more, yellow for 75 to 90%, red for below 75%, and gray if a session was started but not completed. To view data at the student level, teachers can click on the student's name. Here, teachers can view a student's fluency growth over time, along with a matrix showing which facts they've mastered and which ones they're still working on. To view individual sessions, teachers can click any circle for a given day to see the data for that session. Teachers can customize Prodigy Math Facts for their students by clicking Change Program. This can be done for the whole class, specific students, or individual students to support different student needs. Creating a custom program will allow teachers to select operations, increase or decrease the number of facts that students practice in a session, change the fluency threshold, and even select specific facts for students to work on. By default, students are considered fluent when they answer a fact correctly in 6 seconds, 3 times. Teachers can adjust that threshold to 12 seconds if students require extra time, or to 3 seconds to make it more challenging for students. All of your students' Mathfax data can be printed and exported to a CSV. If you'd like to print or export your whole class's data, click the Export button from the main Mathfax page. If you'd like to print data for one student, click the Export button from that student's Mathfax report. Now we all know that teachers love to join in on the fun. If you'd like to give Prodigy Math Facts a try for yourself, click your name at the bottom of your screen. Then click Play Prodigy. This will log you into your built-in student account. Click Mathfax and give it a try. You can also use this account to model your expectations for your students. And that's everything you need to know to get started with Prodigy Math Facts. This powerful, no-cost tool makes fact fluency practice fun and engaging for students, while giving you all the data and customization you need to support every learner in your class. So what are you waiting for? Log in today and let the races begin.